Data science is an interdisciplinary field that involves the use of statistical and computational methods to extract insights and knowledge from data. It encompasses a wide range of techniques, including data mining, machine learning, statistical modeling, and visualization, and involves a variety of domains such as computer science, mathematics, statistics, and domain-specific fields. Data scientists collect and analyze large volumes of data from various sources, such as social media, sensors, or business transactions, to identify patterns, trends, and correlations. They then use this information to develop predictive models, make data-driven decisions, and drive business outcomes. The applications of data science are vast and include fields such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and social media. With the increasing availability of data and advancements in technology, data science has become an essential tool for organizations to stay competitive and make informed decisions.